How to start a pet grooming business. Starting a pet grooming business is an exciting opportunity for animal lovers to turn their passion into a profitable venture. With a growing demand for pet care services and establishing a grooming business, it can be both rewarding and fulfilling by focusing on essential skills, creating a solid business plan, and implementing effective marketing strategies. You can set the stage for success in this thriving industry. Here are 5 essential steps to help you get started. Research and education to successfully launch a pet grooming business. Gaining the necessary skills is paramount. Enroll in reputable grooming courses that cover essential techniques such as bathing, trimming, and handling various breeds safely. Additionally, conduct a thorough market research to understand local demand and competition. This knowledge will enable you to identify your target audience and tailor your services to meet their specific needs, ensuring a competitive edge in the industry. Create a business plan. A well-structured business plan is crucial for guiding your pet grooming venture. Start by outlining your vision, including the services you'll offer and your target market. Consider your pricing strategy and financial projections to assess profitability. Defining your niche, whether it's general grooming or specialized services, will help you stand out from the competitors. This comprehensive plan will also be essential if you seek funding or partnerships to support your business growth. Choose a business structure. Selecting the appropriate legal structure for your pet grooming business is a critical step that impacts liability and taxes. You can choose from options like sole proprietorship, partnership, or limited liability company. Each structure has its own benefits and drawbacks, so it's wise to consult with a legal professional to determine the best fit for your situation. Once decided, register your business with local and state authorities to ensure legal compliance. Obtain necessary equipment and supplies. Investing in quality grooming equipment is vital for delivering excellent services. Essential tools include grooming tables, clippers, dryers, and bathing supplies, which should be chosen based on durability and efficiency. Additionally, stock up on high-quality shampoos, conditioners, and other grooming products that cater to different cold types and skin sensitivities. Budgeting for these initial startup costs is crucial. They can significantly impact your ability to operate effectively from the outset. Market your business. Effective marketing strategies are essential for attracting clients to your new pet grooming business. Start by developing a marketing plan that leverages social media platforms, local advertising, and word-of-mouth referrals to reach potential customers. Consider offering promotions or discounts for first-time clients to encourage them to try your services. Building an online presence through a professional website or engaging social media profiles will help you showcase your expertise and connect with pet owners in your community. In conclusion, launching a pet grooming business requires careful planning, skill development, and effective marketing. By understanding your market, investing in quality equipment, and building a strong online presence, you can attract clients and create a successful venture that not only fulfills your passion for pets, but also meets their grooming needs. I hope this video is helpful for you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one.